Our student Irene is disguised as Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, our student Hia Jain is disguised as Jawaharlal Nehru. Our student Danya is disguised as Velu Nachiyar, the first woman freedom fighter.
Let's welcome Hashanika as Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, Yashwant is coming as Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of India. Then, Sivanesh is disguised as V.O. Chidambara Pillai. Now, let's welcome Saranishri as Subhash Chandra Bose. Next, Sarvesh is coming as V.O. Chidambara Pillai. Now, our student Duru, who is coming as Subhash Chandra Bose, who started the first Indian National Army. Now, Purav Soni is coming as Jawaharlal Nehru, who was a children's lover. Now, let's invite Divin as Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, let's cheer up our Sabari, who is coming as Jawaharlal Nehru.